How to change team name in Fantasy Premier League. Sadly, you cannot do this over the app. You have to use the Fantasy Premier League website. So just type in FLP Premier and click on the first link. From here, log into your account and whatnot. Click pick team, and here you're gonna see the team that you've created. I don't like this team name, so I want to change it. I'm gonna scroll all the way down until I see team details. Click that, and here you can change all sorts of stuff, but we're focusing on the team name. So let's just delete this and type in the new team name. Scroll down until you see update details. Click that, and there you go. You've successfully changed your team name on Fantasy Premier League. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.